Okay, this is the hall bathroom. This is over the bathtub. This is fur down ceiling, and that is the indoor air handler. Looks like it's a fairly recent installation. I'm going to research those numbers and see if I can get a more accurate date. This pan has rusty water in it. Okay, over here, this electric connection is over the bathtub. You got live electric wires just hanging down, partying over your neck and butt while you're taking a shower. This is the primary evaporator drain line. It's not insulated, it does not have a heat trap, and you're not going to find that in these types of units. These package units, there's not in the room. Whatever the local jurisdiction having authority, or besides, it's beyond me. Having a heat trap there is just not a practical application. This is the secondary drain line. It's being capped off. We have here we've got a safety switch, flow switch. It's really nice feature. What happens is that when the water comes to this higher drain, you know that we have a problem with your primary drain. So when the water comes into this drain, that switch turns the whole system off. And it won't operate until you get it fixed. So that's kind of a nice feature to have. And today, this air conditioning system is not raking very much heat out of the air. What it does is it recirculates the air and redistributes it through the dwelling, the structure, the home. And this guy's not performing very well today. And those numbers will be on the report as well.